Lucky's Wheels and Deals. Hey, y'all see the vet over there, man, looking sexier than ever. But yeah, today, we about to yank this damn motor out with my boy Steezo. He got the Chevy Caprice.
And that's swap time.
Hell yeah.
We ain't about to be slow no more.
What your shit called? Two brothers what?
Two brothers racing.
Two brothers racing. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, he about to get in. They about to yank this bitch out. They like, get the fuck out of there. Get your ass up out of there.
I'm trying to get fast like the Z06 out.
Oh yeah? Oh shit. So you gonna go, I think you about to put a turbo, huh? You about to go two, what they call it, twin turbo.
Twin turbskis.
Oh yeah? Are you gonna put pro charger, huh?
Pro charger, turbo, whichever one I can get that good deal on.
Hell yeah. What about supercharger? Supercharger? Put supercharger on there.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah, they about to yank this 305 out and throw it in the trash.
Actually, we got a little surprise on the way.
Oh
man.
yeah.
You know, something with some boost in it, maybe.
Okay. Hell yeah, y'all gonna have to stay tuned, man, and see what's going on, man. If y'all ain't even seen the video, I already collabed with him before. Y'all go make sure y'all go check that out. But this motherfucker looking clean. He gonna have this motherfucker right. He is not playing. It's not a game, guys. Tell him, Steezo, it's not a game. Look, he all professional and shit. Look at him.
Not a game no more.
Look at him. Look at him. Camera on camera. Shit. Look at him. Hell yeah, he all professional, man. Hey, I don't got money like that, y'all. I don't got money like that. That's the new slogan, y'all.
Section 8, baby.
Yeah. We don't got money like that. You got to do your own work around this motherfucker, huh? You got to do your own work. Hell yeah, you got this protection over there. Make sure you don't scratch the paint.
Did I give you
Hey.
Some of these cloth over here.
Hey, you scratch the paint, I'ma scratch your ass. Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm priming it up, everything. It's a little scratchy, but I ain't.
Oh shit, I ain't see that shit. Oh, okay.
So when this get poured, I'm gonna do the same thing with this and prime it up, paint the same color.
Are you gonna sand it or you just prime it up?
I'm gonna scuff it up.
Scuff it up. Do you scuff this up?
Yep.
I
scuffed
that
that
shit
up.
kind of hard.
Primer right here? Yeah.
Play-Doh, it looks like Play-Doh.
I did it the Mako way.
Oh, Mako way? Mako. We on a budget, huh?
Yep.
Hell yeah.
Money like that.
Hey, I don't got money like that.com.
Right.
Oh, hell yeah.
You already got this loose over here?
Man.
I got my boy.
They about to yank this bitch out.
Here,
Two brothers racing. Yeah, he over here helping us out. He took the he got the day off. He working on his day off.
Man, watching football, something.
Something, huh? They got him over there slaving.
Hey, who y'all going with? Lucky gang? Y'all going for them Cowboys or what? He going for these Cowboys.
Who they going against?
49ers.
49ers? Oh, I gotta go for the Bay, man. I'm from the Bay. I got to. I like the 49ers, but I gotta go. What's good? What's good? Vlog on vlog. What's good? Shout your shit out.
Oh, hi everyone. What's up? Brandy Blaze. Go check me out. It's a lifestyle vlog.
They were loving you on the other video. I said you gotta read the comments. They were loving you on the other video.
Thank you, everyone. Go check me out and subscribe.
Hell yeah.
And comments.
You said Brandy Blaze.
Brandy Blaze. BRANDI BLAZE.
For them slow
check me out.
motherfuckers.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. But yeah, man, I gotta go for the 49ers, man. I'm from the Bay. I like the Cowboys, but man, I always got since I've been in Oklahoma. I really don't watch sports, y'all, but I gotta go for the home team. If it's the Warriors playing, I gotta go for the home team. If any team from the Bay, I gotta go for them. It is what it is.
I'll go for them, but I gotta put my money on who I think they're gonna win though.
Oh yeah. That's a different story, you know what I mean?
Stop.
Hell yeah.
I already got the money on Cowboys. So.
Hell yeah. But we gonna continue this video when they yank this motherfucker out.
Yeah.
What am I hitting? You're gonna hit this radiator support and move, believe in a minute. Alright. So we're gonna have to start coming straight up now.
I probably start rolling it right here now. Cause it'll tilt up now.
We need to, yeah.
Oh yeah.
So then we'll start coming straight up.
Oh, somebody take a picture of this. This can be my
Thumbnail.
thumbnail.
Okay, here.
Take a picture for this motherfucker fall out or
Hey, that's gonna be a real thumbnail. He said for a fallout.
take it far away too from the whole car.
He said take a thumbnail for a fallout. Malik, move.
You want to be in thumbnail?
Wait, hold on,
Oh
baby.
hell yeah.
Move your hand.
Oh, did I get?
Up in that mud.
Yeah, y'all go over there.
Is that far away? You know that thumbnail shit to be.
You ready?
That's what is out here.
Leaking. What is that? Transmission fluid? Power steering fluid?
It's coming
It's
out.
that weak sauce fluid coming out. That cancer coming out.
Man, we about to yank this thing out, y'all.
So when we get it about right here, well, I don't know.
Pick it up.
Yeah, from the back, and I can pull it.
Oh, what is all this? It's
Damn, that motherfucker is somebody got to jump. I'm gonna have to jump in this motherfucker to keep that transmission clear.
Hold on. You want me to cut all them wires?
Don't disconnect.
What are they? To the AC?
No.
So they wrapped around.
The starter?
Yeah.
They gonna
Actually, let
take
me get some clips. I think some of those are going to the body.
Well, we can take it straight from the starter. Yeah, take it straight from the starter, because then you can label them, you know what I'm saying? Take it straight off the starter right here.
Got the motor out, y'all. Got him.
You want to mix it, might slow it down.
Yeah. Or turn it sideways. Just turn it sideways. That way it's not on the hill on the
I
inside.
kind of missed it too.
I guess it's still on the inside.
he fell and everything in there. That would have been epic. I think his camera got it though.
Oh, it's gonna be
he fell.
fast.
He fell. Oh, it's gonna be too fast. Oh yeah, he got. He fell.
Who fell?
Stay there.
Dang.
He was. Oh. Oh man, so he yanked that thing out, man.
Over here.
Get this.
He got it out.
Yeah, R.I.P.
Look at him.
What's going on?
Motors out and
Yeah, pulling out motors. Got him out.
shit. You know, you
Oh yeah, what you about to do with the motor? You know they gonna ask what you gonna do with the motor. What you gonna do with this motor since this not going back in there? What you about to do? Sell it? Junk it?
Sell it.
Give it
mark
away.
out. Jose, he about to go and take this spark plug wires off.
He's stripping it, huh?
Somebody about to come get the carburetor.
Yeah.
a little
He
bit.
said, know what? I need to borrow your spark plugs.
Oh, get off of there.
Got a belt for sale, $350.
Baby over here trying to work.
Retro 13s, y'all like them?
Oh
They
man.
just came out.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. New additions. Man, funky fresh.
Man.
Man.
Hey, they can come grab it.
Oh yeah.
Except the Turbo 400, I gotta keep that.
You gotta keep that.
That's
Oh,
the
that's
precious
400.
one right there.
Oh yeah. Are you gonna put this one back in there or no?
I don't know. I'm undecided. Either
Okay.
that, Turbo 400, or 4L80.
Man, y'all gotta stay tuned, man. Hey, tell them your YouTube channel again.
State of Steezo, all one word. Y'all
Hell
can get on
yeah.
there, Instagram, everything.
Hell yeah. Y'all wanna see some more of what he about to do. This is just the beginning.
Actually.
Man.
Oh, that's why the dipstick wasn't going in.
Why? What happened?
Because it wasn't even going into the oil pan. Like, this the dipstick and the oil pan back there, so that's why I wasn't going in there.
Oh man.
But that's not cool. It was leaking from the freeze plug.
Yeah,
Oh, this-
that's a different.
What there? See,
The residue.
that what made you want to sell it. I mean, get rid of it. I mean,
Well, it's leaking from there. But you
Hey.
see the oil pan, like where?
Are you
why
sure?
the
Are you sure you don't want to fix it and just throw it in there?
Nope.
Cheap, man.
Nope.
No. He said, "Fuck that."
Oh,
JB Well.
Yeah, you sure you don't want to just rig it up and throw it back in there
Y'all-
and drive it for the rest of the summer or no?
Lucky gang, y'all see all that oil on there? That's a fire hazard, man. Look at all that.
Oh,
Burn
man.
me down.
Oh man.
About to burn me down.
Oh man. What?
Diesel go over there.
Right, like a diesel motor.
Man.
Diesel go.
Hey, your whole car would have been on fire, huh? That would have been. Hey, that would have been an epic video. Your channel would blew up. Man.
Don't you stop. Oh, you want here?
Shit, what's up, Jose? Throw the block on your trailer, bro. Shit.
Oh yeah, I'm ready right now. What you want to take?
Nah, I ain't like to do it. I need to take them heads off of there.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, we got that motor out. Well, they got the motor out. You know, I was just chilling recording, but yeah, they got that shit out here, man. We just gonna be chilling, kicking back and all that. But just like that, this video is over. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, subscribe. Lucky's Wills and Diz, and I'm out.
Bridge.
Yeet.